So hey guys, my name is Aman Geva, pairing the US in 1VE21IS003, and today we are going to explore what is software architecture. Understanding software architecture and design patterns. So first we're going to understand what is software architecture. Define software architecture. We're going to know what is the importance of design patterns and what audience are we targeting. Understanding software architecture. Definition of software. Software architecture involves defining the structures necessary for understanding a software system design and functionality, incorporating software elements. And then we have common architectural styles, where various architectural styles include layered architecture, which organizes software into layers, event-driven architectures, which focuses on event-trigger actions, microservices architecture that breaks systems into smaller independent services. Benefits of well-architected system. A well-architected system enhances productivity, improves the quality of software, and simplifies maintenance and evolution, resulting into much more adaptable software. Hmm. So, understanding the design patterns in software engineering. Definition of design patterns. Design patterns are established solutions to recurring software designs issue providing templates for various patterns. Importance of reusable solutions. They promote code reusability, reducing redundancy, and enhancing maintainability and faster development. Historical content. The term was popularized by Gang of Fours in their initial book, setting a foundation to design pattern theory. Relevance in modern software engineering. Design patterns remain crucial contemporary softwares. So there are different types of design patterns in software development. Creational pattern focus on the object creation mechanism, ensuring objects are created in a way that suits the context and requirement of the application. Structural patterns deals with the composition of classes and objects, providing methods to combine them with to form larger structures and ensuring flexibility and efficiency. Behavioral patterns concerned with the interaction and responsibility of objects, focusing on how they communicate to enhance the flexibility and efficiency of the system. Creational design patterns. So, introduction to creational design patterns. Creational design patterns focus on mechanisms of object creation, enhancing flexibility and reusability of code. Singleton. A singleton pattern restricts a class to a single instance, providing a global access point to that instance. Excuse me. Factory method. This pattern defines an interface for creating an object, allowing subclasses to change the type of object that are being created. Abstract factory. The abstract factory pattern allows for the creation of families of related or dependent objects without specifying their parent classes. Okay, importance of creational patterns. These patterns are essential for managing complex object creation process, improving code maintainability and reusability. Structural design patterns. So one is an adapter. Uh, Wait a minute. So uh, in structural design pattern. Structural design pattern, which is an adapter, composite, and proxy. An adapter enables disparate interfaces to communicate seamlessly, allowing for greater flexibility in integrating various systems. This pattern allows you to compose objects into tree structure, facilitating a representation of part whole hierarchy, which simplifies client interaction and complex structures. A proxy pattern acts as a placeholder providing controlled access to another object, thereby enhancing security and efficiency of the managing resource-heavy operations. Behavioral pattern explained. So behavior patterns, strategy patterns, and command patterns. Behavior pattern defines a one-to-many dependency between objects. When one object changes states, all dependent are notified and updated automatically, making it useful for events. Strategic patterns allows the selection of any algorithm behavior at runtime. This promotes flexibility, reusability by enabling different algorithms to be defined. Command patterns are encapsulates a request has an object which allows for parameterization of clients with queues, requests, and operations. This supports undoable operations. Improving e-commerce notification systems is also a part of a pattern software architecture, decoupled notification logic, scalability in notification types, flexibility in design patterns over here also. Common pitfall of using patterns, overuse of patterns. Not every problem necessitates design patterns. Often simpler, more straightforward solution are adequate and efficient. Misunderstanding patterns. Implementing a design pattern incorrectly can lead to inefficiency and complications in the software architecture, potentially negating any benefits. Pattern obsession. Focusing too much on fitting problems into existing pattern rather than leveraging them as a tool can restrict creativity and lead to unnecessary complexities. Resources for learning design patterns. Software tools such as utilize UML tools like Lucid Charts or Draw.io to efficiently visualize design patterns. Books, design pattern elements of reusable object-oriented software by Gamma and Head First Design Patterns by Freeman and Freeman. Online courses on Udemy and Coursera can also help you with all of these design patterns. Design patterns in modern development, a role as an agile or a DevOps. Design patterns are fundamental in agile and DevOps methodologies, providing structured approaches to software development to enhance team collaboration. Communication tool. They serve as a common language for developers, enabling effective communication of complex solution and fostering a shared code quality assurance. By promoting reusability solutions, design patterns can help ensure code quality, reducing redundancy, and enhancing maintainability. Key patterns are basically prominent patterns like microservices and sourcing are essential for building scalable and efficient system, especially in cloud. Cloud native influence. These patterns significantly influence the architecture of cloud native and distributed system, guiding developers to designing a resilient and scalable product. Future trends in software architecture, serverless computing, reducing infrastructure management overhead and enhancing scalability, allowing developers to focus on code rather than server management. AI-driven architecture, incorporate artificial intelligence to optimize system performance and facilitate intelligent decision making in real-time applications. Blockchain technology provides decentralized solution for data integrity and security, influencing how transactions and data sharings are managed. Microservice architecture encourages the development of applications as a suite of small services, improving modularity and making systems easier to scale and maintain. Event-driven architecture facilitates real-time data processing and responsiveness to event, enhancing users' experience and system efficiency. The role of visual aids in understanding design pattern clarity. Visual aids um, enhance clarity by breaking down complex concept into understandable visuals. Identifying patterns. Diagrams help in recognizing patterns and structures within the design, aiding effective communication. Understanding interaction. Visual in illustration illustrate interaction between components, clarifying that they influence each other. Facilitating discussions. Infographics serve as a discussion point, fostering collaborative understanding among team members. Key takeaway on design patterns: importance of design patterns, benefits of design patterns, understanding context. Each design pattern has a specific context. Recognizing when and where to implement it is very crucial and effective. Applying patterns judiciously, leveraging resources, embracing design patterns. Conclusion on design patterns: vital for effective architecture. Common language. They provide a shareable vocabulary among developers, enabling clearer communication and collaboration when addressing design challenges. Evolving design patterns. As technology progresses, a new challenge always arises. So, design patterns will adapt, ensuring relevance and utility of contemporary software development. Continuous professional values. By leveraging design patterns, software of professionals can enhance their problem solving skills and improve code quality, leading to a better project outcome. Open for discussion. We encourage interactive dialogues to delve deeper into a concept, share experiences, and explore the future design patterns and softwares. Thank you.